A Salt Lake City high school baseball team faces an uncertain future after floodwater ruined all of their equipment.
They have a mess on their hands. Fox 13's Haley Higgins shows us what may be the latest strike now for the team, just trying to stay above water.
It was like a giant lake. This was 7 feet under water here.
Water from Sunday night's downpour came up the drain, quickly filling the baseball field and nearby buildings.
This is where we kept all of our gear, and that was actually we couldn't get the door open, so everything inside kind of floated up away and then put itself against the door.
The floodwater took out the pitching machines, catching gear, helmets, and jerseys.
This is gonna be trash.
Oh, we're trashing that? Okay.
Yeah, it stinks.
Everything a high school baseball team needs to compete is being tossed into a garbage pile.
It just kind of sucks, because when you imagine how much stuff you actually lost and how much of a setback it is, and it just feels like part of your home is just gone.
Everything that we've accumulated to help grow the program is a sopping mess.
Coach Treend says they have low-income student athletes who can't afford to replace damaged personal equipment.
It's tough, and we try to bring as much equipment and through fundraising for shoes and bats and whatever we can do to help out.
Now, this flooding comes after 2 rough seasons. In 2020, the season was cut short because of COVID-19. Last year, they couldn't hold practice. They were only able to go to a few games.
One thing after another, COVID, this, getting people to come out here for tryouts, practices, stuff.
Confident the team will bounce back, Coach Treend expects it to take some time.
They're definitely gone.
In Salt Lake City, Haley Higgins, Fox 13 News, Utah.
There is a GoFundMe page to help the East High School baseball team replace the equipment they lost. We have a link to it at fox13now.com.